एक बार ये वर्कआउट ट्राई कर ली ना तो कोबरा सांप को
Jumping
देख लेना और
jacks.
अपनी बैक को देख लेना, कोबरा सांप से भी खतरनाक हो जाएगी।
3, 2, start. 30 seconds. Jumping jacks. Start at a slow speed, then gradually increase the pace. Half the time. Take a rest. The next. 14. Triceps kickbacks. Please don't move your upper arm. Take a rest. The next. 14. Incline push-up. Start. 14. Incline push-ups. Inhale when you go down, and exhale when you go up. Take a start. 12. Rhomboid pulls. Exhale when pulling your elbows back, and inhale when going back to the start position. Take a rest. Start. 16. Floor tricep dips. You should feel your triceps engage. Take a rest. 3, 2, 1. 30 seconds. Cat-cow pose. This exercise works on your spine, back and abs. Half the time. Take a rest. Start. 12. Triceps kickbacks. Please don't move your upper arm. Take a rest. Start. 12. Incline push-ups. Take. Start. 10. Hip hinge. Please engage your core. Take a rest. Start. 14.